Hi Leo, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do a you and yours reading. Leo, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. The High Priestess. Keeping some secrets, Leo, or is somebody keeping secrets from you? Let's keep this card aside to see if it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. Let's start. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Leo and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Leo, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most at this time. This could be someone around you, could be your love interest, could be someone new who's got a crush on you, could be your mother-in-law, could be your neighbor, could be your boss, child, whoever's in your energy zone and who we need to know about. Okay, so let's see Leo who's going to come up for you in this reading. Thank you all my subscribers. Thank you for all the love and affection, share and care and whatever. You guys are so sweet. But if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We meet here weekly and even weekends now for weekend love bites. So we welcome you in. And let me explain this. I'm taking out two sets of cards, one for you, Leo, and one for your person. So this is going to be side A, side B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? Before I open your cards, Leo, as usual, I'm going to take an angel blessing card as well. So my angels, what do you have for Leo for the second half of September? There's a pause going on, Leo. I've got 3 cards suggesting that now, and we haven't started the reading yet. So there's something in your life which is at hold. I have the 9 of Pentacles in reverse, okay, which also suggests some kind of delay in something that you're trying to do. We have the High Priestess, the Keeper of Secrets, okay, and we have the Pause card. But Spirit is urging you at this point to, this is your card, Leo, keep your strength up and don't give up, okay? Because whatever it is, it's just a pause. It's not the end. Don't get worried about it. If you're thinking of starting something new or you're waiting for information from someone, it's coming, okay? There's maybe a delay, but it's not the end. So let's put this with my angel here. Now let's see how our reading is going to resonate with the rest of our cards. So Leo, the first card I have for person A is the Queen of Cups, 4 of Wands, the Lovers, Knight of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, and the King of Swords. Okay, person B has the Judgment in reverse, the Hanged Man in reverse, 3 of Wands, 9 of Wands, Death in reverse, and the Queen of Wands in reverse. This is definitely to do with a couple here, like a man and a woman, it seems, some kind of relationship. There is a Queen of Cups here who's, I think, turned her back now. Who's this Queen of Cups, Spirit? This could be, in a stable relationship, a marriage, or long-term partnership. Yeah, see the King of Swords is in reverse. I have him twice now in reverse. So there's some masculine here who's very, very upset. Very upset, very angry, very bitter, maybe with this Queen of Cups who seems to have turned her back, and now they are kind of healing from it. This could have been a long-term relationship or a marriage or something, and now this person A, feels that there is now a choice to be made. Things have really come to a stagnancy in this relationship. And maybe, they're planning now to kind of be single and take a fresh leap of faith for a future life or something. And they're planning now, what am I going to do next? Maybe it's time now to kind of take my love elsewhere and be happy. Why is this person so angry though, Spirit? Why is he in the King of Swords energy? It came out twice. Yeah, because there is something ending here. Okay, there's a fear of change here for sure, but it's, death is inevitable. This person A knows that it's ending now. It's ending, and I'm not liking it, and I'm angry, and I'm upset now. But maybe it's time now to make a choice now to be single. But I don't think it's happened yet. Yes, there is a pause going on. Things are still hidden, Leo. Things are still. Not come to the other side. Four of Wands spirit for person A. What's this Four of Wands? Yeah, they want to be over all this stress and tension, I think, which has come with this stable relationship. Maybe it was at one point something nice and stable and loving and caring and whatever, but now it's kind of, now person A is now waiting for this to be over. And they are keeping a watch, they're keeping, maybe waiting for news, maybe waiting for some message to come their way, which will indicate which way are we going now. But it's making this masculine here very upset and very angry and very bitter. This waiting period is not really doing well. Yeah, right now there is a feeling of abandonment, feeling of being left out in the cold, feeling as if, as if one person has emotionally manipulated the other person. I have the death here for person B as well in reverse. So it's the same story. Things are ending. They haven't ended yet. So Spirit, what's this Nine of Cups? Yeah, somebody wants to turn their back on this relationship now. Maybe maybe go on for their own happiness now. One person is waiting. I think this can be the feminine actually. The feminine here is, I think, turning her back, and she's waiting for some news, it seems, to solidify or finish this. Could be a court case, could be expecting some paperwork or something, and they're not very happy with this king, who they feel is a very angry, bitter person. Here again, stagnancy, Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So it's like things are not moving. Okay, people are wishing and hoping for it to end now, but it hasn't completely ended. Here also for person B, I have the Judgment in reverse, right? So any new beginning is stalled at the moment. They feel, oh my God, I finished my karma with this person maybe, or it's not feeling the love, not wanting to move towards the other person with any apology, no love being shown here, but wanting to come out of this hangman's place. Person B is feeling the same energy, absolutely the same energy. Feeling like, it's over. I don't want to have a new beginning with person A now. I don't want to take any love offer or anything to them. But I am tired of being in, in the stuck position and resting and healing and whatever. I need now to get out of the zone. I want to get out of the zone, and I want to go out there and see what else is out there. See what these three ships laden with treasures are bringing for me now. The person seems to be in waiting mode. Turned his back on the past and now waiting for what else is out there. But person B also doesn't want to fight anymore. They're saying, okay, let me just drop this now. It hasn't worked out. And this is kind of bothering person B as well. So Three of Wands spirit. What's this Three of Wands for person B? Yeah, they know this Queen of Wands may have been at one point in their life, this very exciting partner for them, but now they know that she's very upset with them, she's very angry with them. So now both sides, we have two people who are, thinking about the other person as angry and sad. Queen of Wands in reverse and the King of Swords in reverse. So these are two people who are angry, bitter, upset with each other. So just as this person feels that the king is angry, here the person B also feels the same way about this queen. So Spirit, what is this Four of Wands now? The person B? Same cards again. They want to put an end to this fighting. Enough is enough. I mean, I can't deal with this anymore. I want to now do maybe new things in my life. Pursue my goals now. I'm not even waiting around for anything anymore. I don't want to send any love offers or messages. It's over for person B as well. I think both are in the same zone, right? Person B wants to turn their back, and wants to go on to their single life. Person B wants to also not be stuck anymore. Yeah, they know that, this could have been their, a wife or whatever, but they know that this is now Queen of Pentacles is in reverse now, and the Empress is in reverse, which means there is no more growth and fertility left in this connection for them either. So Spirit, what's this Death in reverse? I think this person B is just hanging on to this relationship till it lasts because of stability, and because maybe there are finances to be divided, or there could be some financial implications. So that's the only, I think, thing that is keeping this relationship from ending completely. There's still some finer points, I think, to be dealt with, and that's the delay here. Queen of Wands, Spirit. This person also wants to take back now control of their life, and they want to end this. I think there are two people here who've come to an end of a relationship, and there are secrets being kept. People are not talking to each other, not at least verbally to each other, and there is a pause going on in the ending, and yes, it's a bit delayed though. So let's see for your mutual energy, Leo. 3 of Pentacles upright, okay. 6 of Pentacles and the Sun. There is a bit of an equal give and take here, even though you both are trying to work towards it with each other, for some kind of finalization, I think. Not very happy about it with the Sun in reverse, but still going through this process of is it going to be equal, who gets what, that kind of a feeling I'm getting. So what's this 3 of Pentacles, Spirit? 3 of Pentacles. 3 of Pentacles is clarified by the 3 of Pentacles in reverse. So even though you guys may be trying to work it out, things are just not going as smooth maybe for both of you to work things out as to, maybe the division of Pentacles or something. Let's see this 6 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 6 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, neither of you are very happy this time. Yes, this must be very traumatic. To end anything is very traumatic, and I think you both are trying to do the best possible thing to do things in a fair manner, but it's not really making either of you happy. Yeah, this could have been a committed relationship, right? Which you both are trying to now get out of. You've been stuck here for a very long time, but it's not making you, both of you, not happy about this partnership which is not going correct. The Sun in reverse, Spirit. Things are coming to a complete halt soon, Leo, but I do have this Queen who's very upset still. There is a feminine energy who's in her Queen of Swords energy and the Queen of Cups energy, and they're both in reverse. So not only is it a very emotionally upsetting time for her, she's also angry and upset and not very happy. I'm sorry if you're going through something like this, Leo, but please know that it's just a pause. Things will get better soon, okay? Don't really worry about it. Yeah, soon you'll be able to drop this burden. Whatever you're going through, Leo, it's just temporary. This too shall pass. Just repeat that to yourself in the mirror every morning before you start your day and say, this day shall also pass. Things will get better. Soon you'll be able to drop this burden altogether and move on to something fresh and new. And that's all I have for you, Leo. I'm sorry this was not the happiest reading. I'm feeling a bit heavy. I'm sure that's how you feel as well. But you're blessed, and very soon you'll be out of this, okay? Till next week then, love and light. Namaste, Leo. Take care.